Good morning, guys. I just wanted to make a quick little intro. My battery is super low, so I'm going to be charging it before I do any type of filming. But we're going to Cars and Coffee tomorrow, so going to be doing some prep stuff today and also installing some new parts for the interior. Got to run some errands before I even do filming, so I'm going to be charging my batteries in the car, so that way whenever I start doing some actual filming, my batteries will be all good. Gonna be pretty cool, and then I'll film tomorrow for Cars and Coffee and stuff. And after Cars and Coffee, I have a job. I gotta do a chrome delete on a truck, so might film a little bit of that, but I don't know yet. So yeah, I'll see y'all whenever these batteries get charged. All right, guys, we made it to the house. First things first, I'm gonna be washing this thing. This thing is so dirty, it's not even funny. Just look at the wheels, man. Yeah. First things first, we're gonna be washing this. So Next Gen was nice enough to send us out some ceramic spray to give it a try and give an honest review on what I think of their product. So we're gonna be doing that today. So I'm gonna be trying to review it on here, plus also do a review for Instagram and TikTok. I already told them this is a 100% honest review. We're gonna see what it's like, and then I'm gonna see what it's like kind of like after a week. It's kind of overcast today, hoping it doesn't rain while I'm trying to wash it. It's supposed to rain today, but not till later in the day. So we're gonna hope that the rain holds out while I wash the car. I'm gonna get all this stuff prepped. Gonna get my buckets and everything. And hopefully it does not rain on us. Well, that's just great. My tripod broke on me. Awesome. Handheld it is. So just got done spraying this on the car. It works pretty well. You can feel it like as you wipe it off that it is becoming more hydrophobic. So it feels super nice on the car. It's become a lot more slick. I mean, as of right now, I like the product. I'm gonna wait until next week to wash it again and see if it still kind of keeps that ceramic. If it does, then I honestly would really highly recommend that product. So I'm about to install my new pieces in my interior. I also have to change Abby's oil. I'm probably gonna get my stuff done before I change our oil, so that way my hands don't get all dirty. And I don't wanna get the Alcantara dirty as soon as I even get it in the car. So yeah, I'm probably about to install those. So first things first, we will want to take off our shift knob. Shout out to Koi Crew. You can kind of see this a little bit better than showing it to y'all the other day, but this thing's so cool. I love this shift knob so much. But back to this, you'll want to grab a plastic clip popper. You want to try and get under here so that way you can pop this out. It's a little bit difficult, but you just kind of have to mess with it for a little bit. So I went ahead and kind of popped this off first. All you really kind of have to do is pull up from down here, and it kind of just pops up. So you can kind of just pull it off after that. I do still need to get a sleeve for this, so that way this can match somewhat to this. But so far, we got the e-brake boot off. Gonna still try and figure out how to get this off. So I figured out this little piece needs to come off first. So there's two little screws here that I'm gonna have to take out. So as you can see, we now have both pieces out. So I'm probably gonna take these inside so that way I can do them in there. So it seems like this one's just glued on. So I'm gonna have to get some 3M spray and probably spray it on here so that way this will stick. All right, so this is now all peeled. I am gonna try and possibly get a lot of this off. I may have to sand it down a little bit, but so far, step one for this is complete. Now this is just held on by some tabs. So all you kind of have to do is just unscrew these and take them off, and then pop these little tabs out. Now we're gonna go ahead and throw this one on. Okay, so I've got this thing pretty much clean. Just not really able to clean around the edges too well, which hopefully it'll still stick. I've kind of taped it off because I don't want to get this adhesive all over the whole back of this. So I'm gonna spray these edges first, and then probably just spray this whole thing, and then I'll spray on the back of this. Okay, so I finally got this in. I struggled with it for a little bit. But I finally got it to where it fits. It's a little tight right here once I pull it up a decent bit. It still goes down and pulls up just fine. So I am now going to reinstall the shift boot and we will be done. I absolutely love how this came out. I think it looks so freaking good. The only thing that I need to get now to get rid of all of this red stitching is I need to get a new shift boot or a cover for that. I need to get a new steering wheel, seats, and then I need to get this replaced somehow. I'm probably gonna just find some GR86 door cards and just replace the door cards. But that's pretty much all the rest that is red stitching. Don't mind the dirty floors. I have not cleaned those out in a while. But it's a great start for the interior. It is gonna come together so well. So guys, for today, that's pretty much about it. I'm gonna be putting some stuff up and doing a little bit of cleaning around here before tomorrow. And then I will see y'all at Cars and Coffee tomorrow. Abby went ahead and changed her oil. She's gonna install her tail lights. We finally got the little adapter, so that way she's able to put them on. I think she's about to do that. So I might show y'all a little clip whenever she's got them on. So guys, Abby got these installed. They look pretty good. I like how they look a lot. It is so windy out here today. But these look super good. Probably gonna get ready and go to the gym for a little bit, and then go home, shower, and then just play some video games. And then I will see y'all at Cars and Coffee tomorrow. Good morning, guys. We got our coffee. We're now on the way to Cars and Coffee. It's only about 15 minutes away. Super cold today for some unknown reason. We're hoping that it won't be too cold to
asleep.
We made it to Cars and Coffee. We're about to look around. My hands are freezing.
I can't feel my toes. I don't have feeling in my toes.
Is that Mirage? Is that the Mirage?
Yeah, man, I'm a little dusty today, so try to cover me up, you know. Try to edit this clip a little bit.
Dusty?
He's dusty.
I'm a little dusty. Got my Glock right here, you know. Always protect yourself.
We can't put that on
I can't put that in the video now. It's a Nerf gun. It's a Nerf gun.
It's a Nerf gun.
It has an orange tip. It has an orange tip.
Yeah, it has an orange tip on it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Got mostly old stuff here and some new super cars, you could say. That's really all Arkansas is for the most part.
You either have a big old Tonka truck, you got a big old Tonka truck, you got an old antique. That's all we got here, son.
You got the Corvettes. They all...
The baby bought a Corvette.
Probably drives better than you. This old truck's pretty nice. I like the color. Oh, dude, this is clean.
It's a Beamer.
Hey, don't be just on the Beamers. I love Beamers. GZ500 over there. A couple of newer cars.
I can't feel my face. That car has
Look at this
curtains.
Supra over here.
Why are you just putting that in my face?
The Mustangs, man, they're always so loud. Big turbo.
You wish that was you.
I do wish that was me. I need a turbo so bad. With the Porsche.
Another Beamer.
Stop with the Beamer hate. I do not
can't help
appreciate
it.
the Beamer hate.
That one got duct tape holding the window.
My buddy Jay's car.
Car's probably in agony.
Huh?
This is agony.
That's messed up. I'm gonna make sure he sees that. I like the paint on that old truck. That orange is nice. I like that red. I love deep reds. Well, you need to get you an old Volkswagen van like that.
Can I just travel the world in it?
Yeah, go for it.
I'll probably get to like...
Dude, no, you need that. You need that thing.
I won't be able to fit in it.
I would not be able to fit in
There's your
that.
thing.
Dude, this thing is so clean. I want a Datsun so bad. I don't know that I'd even be able to fit in it. I think I'd be a little too big. Dude, this thing's so clean.
It smells like the marijuana in that car.
Is this wide bodied?
No.
I think it is.
Panels up.
What is that? I can't tell. It's like little fender extensions.
Doubles up.
Oh my goodness. It's the James Bond car.
Bond. James Bond.
That's clean.
Puppy. See, we should have
I
brought
like that
our dogs.
comment. No. It is such a hassle to keep dogs out of meat.
You're such a hassle to keep up at me.
I am kind of a hassle to keep up with at meets.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. It's fucking cold, man.
Look, you wanted to come. You didn't have to come. But you decided to come. And if you're gonna come, you're gonna get out of the car. There's no reason to come to a meet and then just sit in the car the whole
People
time.
kept coming up to your car and then staring at it.
Dude, I said that whenever I was talking to my friends over here, I was like, guaranteed she is so uncomfortable sitting in that car right now because everybody's staring at the car. Because she gets so uncomfortable in those types of situations. Starting to not feel as bad.
No. Don't go in the shade.
I'm walking this way.
Oh, okay.
Good grief. I think he works with me. I've seen it at work a few times, I think. I think I'm gonna get one of these next. Hemi swapped, wide body. He's clean, man.
It flaps in the wind.
He lives by us. This WRX right here,
Yeah, no, I've seen it around.
it sounds good.
Big man, what's up?
I'm vlogging today.
Well, I'm here for it, dude. I'm here for it.
What's up, guys? I forgot to film a outro for this video. What's up, guys? I forgot to too tired for this. What's up, guys? I forgot to film an ending to the video today. We ended up just talking to some friends for the rest of the Cars and Coffee and meeting some people and stuff like that. And so I had a Chrome delete after. So I just got back home from doing that. It was super cold today, so the vinyl was fighting me like crazy. So that took forever to do. It is now 11:24, so yeah, it took me a while to get a lot of that done, and so finally got it done. Customers picking up in the morning, but just want to come on here, say thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate you for watching and all the love that I've gotten on the past few videos. Like, it's been amazing. And so hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Hopefully some new content will be coming soon, but I do appreciate y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next one.